Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here I'll be doing a review on this half-inch drive powered ratchet made by OEMTOOLS model number 24493 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this ratchet will be included in the description below. This is also available in a 3/8 drive. This kit comes with a ratchet, charging station, and 2 batteries. Using this powered ratchet can be up to 7 times faster than a conventional ratchet. While it is powered, it can be used as a traditional ratchet as well in order to break fasteners free or if they are binding. The 2 batteries included are a 200 milliamp lithium-ion. It takes approximately 45 minutes to charge and has a rotational time with no load for 200 minutes. Its internal mechanism is designed so it doesn't over-tighten fasteners, so there's no risk of causing any breaks. I have found it to be slightly longer than a traditional half-inch drive ratchet, allowing the user to gain more leverage on those higher torqued fasteners. However, it does have a lower profile design and has an easy to operate directional selector, which makes it excellent for working in tight places as well. Equipped with a rubber grip, making it comfortable for the user, you can also see it has a typical green and black OEMTOOLS color scheme. The rest of the ratchet has a satin finish, the battery clips at the rear of the handle, a power button, a lock on the power button, and an LED indicator. The battery on the rear is held in with 2 snap clips and can easily be removed by depressing those clips and removing the battery from its location. There is also an alignment mark to ensure that battery is in its proper orientation. The LED indicator will also illuminate different colors to determine its current charge and if there's an issue. It's equipped with a socket lock, so the socket stays firmly into place and you won't risk dropping it in your engine bay. This has 60 teeth, allowing the ratchet to have a fine movement. Manual torque rating is 450 foot-pounds or 610 newton meters, and the rotational torque when powered is 8.85 foot-pounds or 1 newton meter. Total weight of this ratchet is 765 grams. Viewing the manual for this ratchet, Mobile Distributor Supply does have a link on their products page. This ratchet also can be disassembled and is intended to be easily maintained, ensuring it does have a long life. I have been using this ratchet on a few different projects, and you may have seen it in some of my tutorial videos. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with its design, ease of use, and it does make the task at hand much easier when power removing or installing fasteners. The extended length of the handle allows me to gain extra leverage when breaking those overly tight or rusted fasteners free. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below, helping out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.